friends, welcome to my channel Nidhi Bhasin mathematics classes. In this video, I will be sharing with you tips and tricks for trigonometric table. And for learning more about trigonometry, you can check the description box in which I will give the links of my other trigonometric videos. So let's get started. I will be giving you two methods for drawing trigonometric table. I am first taking first method. In that method, I will be using left hand and I will be using these values on these fingers. Thumb is pointing towards south and it is 0 degree. Then 30 degree. And the middle finger will be 45. And then 60 degree. And the last pinky finger, this finger is known as pinky finger, which will be 90 degree. So this way, and which hand I am using? I am using left hand. For finding the values of sine theta and cos theta, there is a method. You will be moving towards thumb for finding sine theta. And you will be moving towards pinky finger for finding the value of cos theta. Or the other way of remembering this is sine theta will be equal to under root of fingers below whatever value. Suppose I am finding sine 60. Sine 60, then how many fingers are there below? 1, 2 and 3. So the value will be sine 60 will be fingers below that. So this is my 60 degree. 1, 2 and 3 are below that. So I will be writing root 3 by 2. Because I am moving towards thumb, so I will be counting fingers below that theta value. Theta is 60 here. Sine 90 is over here. How many fingers are below this? 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can see that I am moving towards thumb. This is just a way of remembering this, that for sine we check fingers below or we move towards thumb. And for cos, what we will do? We will move towards pinky finger or we will count fingers above that value. So for sine 90, how many fingers were there? Root of 4 by 2. What is root of 4? Root of 4 is 2 by 2. So sine 90 will come as 1. Same way for cos theta. How I will find the values of cos theta now? I told you cos theta, we have to find fingers above whatever value we have. And what we will do? We will move towards pinky finger. So let's try for different degrees cos theta value. Cos of 30 degree. If I am taking cos of 30 degree, which direction I have to go? I have to go fingers above or towards pinky finger. So this is 30. How many are there above it? 1, 2, 3. So root of 3 by 2 will be cos of 30. If I have to find cos of 45, then cos of 45 degree will be, this is 45. How many are there above it? We have 2 fingers. We will take under root of it and then we will divide it by 2. We know that 2 can be written as root 2, root 2. Root 2 multiplied by root 2 is 2. So this will get cancelled with it and we will left with 1 by root 2. So this is the way of remembering sine theta and cos theta. Now for tan, what we will do? We will take the values in this way. We know sine theta upon cos theta is tan theta. So we can take fingers below in the numerator, under root of fingers below in the numerator and under root of fingers above in the denominator. In this way, we will get the values of tan theta. Now let's try with this method for tan of 45. Tan 45. How many fingers are there above and how many fingers are there below? You can see that 2 are above, 2 are below. So tan 45 will be 1. If I am taking tan of 30, so first of all I will take fingers below. How many fingers are there below 30? 1. So under root of 1 will be 1. Fingers above. 1, 2, 3. So how many fingers are there above? 3. So what will be the value? 1 by root 3. What did I find? Tan theta is under root of 1 under root of 3, which is equal to 1 by root 3. Now let's try for tan 60. You have the magic in your fingers. You don't need to remember the table. Any value you have, just use your left hand like this and start taking out the values. So now let's try for tan of 60 degree. 60 degree is here. Fingers below. How many fingers are there? 1, 2, 3. How many fingers are there? Root 3. Root 3 will be the numerator. How many fingers are there above this? 1. So the tan 60 will be equal to, tan 60 degree will be equal to root 3 by 1. Students mainly get the problem of learning this, whether tan 60 was root 3 or whether tan 30 was root 3. So you have learned that using your left hand only, you can remember the trigonometric table even without drawing it. Now let's move to the second method. Now with the second method, we will be finding the values of first sine theta and cos theta at different degrees. 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. How we will start this? I will be writing first 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. First in the sine column. For cos, I will be writing inverse of this. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. How did I start? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here I will start with 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Two more things which we need to remember. 1 divided by 0 is undefined. We cannot find it. And 0 divided by 1 is 0. These two things you need to remember, and sine theta and cos theta. If you can find the values of sine theta and cos theta, tan theta will be sine upon cos, and for cosecant, secant, it will be inverse of these values. Using this, 1 by 0 is undefined, 0 divided by 1 is 0. These 2 points you have to keep in your mind. Rest we will get all the values of the trigonometric table only from sine and cos values. Now how to get the values of sine and cos? You will divide these all values by 4. First I have written 0 to 4 and then I have divided all the values by 4. Same in cos. And then I will be taking their under root. First, there are 3 steps of finding the values. First you will write 0 to 4, then you will divide by 4 and then you will take their square root. Zero by 4, I told you 0 by any value is 0. So this will come as 0 degree. Sorry, this will come as 0. 1 by 4. Under root of 1 is 1. Under root of 4 is 2. So the value will be 1 by 2. 45 degree. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. First I will solve this. Then I am getting under root of 1 is 1. Under root of 2 is under root of 2. This will be under root of 3, since they both are not getting cancelled, so I will take the square root of both. So numerator square root will be root 3, denominator square root will be 2. Now they both are getting cancelled and we are left with 1. So here again, there are 4 is getting cancelled. We are getting 1. For this value, I will take the square root of numerator and denominator, and it will be root 3 by 2. For 45, they are getting cancelled. So I am getting numerator of 1, under root of 1 is 1, under root of 4 is root, under root of root 2 is 2. Now under root of 1 is 1, and for under root of 4, we will get the value of under root of 4 as 2. 0 by 4. Anything divided by 0 will be 0. So this way you will get the values of sine and cos. Or other way is you can only find the values of sine, and then from whatever value of 90 you are getting, you can write that value directly here. Whatever value of 60 you are getting, you can write that directly here. Or whatever value of 45 you are getting, that is remaining same. So in sine theta, we are moving towards this direction. Whatever values we have got for cos theta, we will write that in this direction. Okay. What we have written? 1. Okay. 1 from 90. 60 will be equal to 30. 45, 45. Because sine and cos are both co-functions of each other. So sine theta is cos of 90 minus theta. That we have done in one of my videos. That's way this value of 30 degree of sine is same as whatever we are getting for 60. So that's the way of writing the values of sine and cos. And for tan, what you will do? You will keep this value in the numerator, you will keep this value in the denominator, and you will get the value of tan. Using this, that 0 by 1 is 0 and 1 upon 0 is infinity. You can write the values for tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta and cot theta. For more such videos, consider subscribing my channel. Keep learning, keep sharing. Thank you.